Introducing the LX5 High Density 1U patch panel, setting a new standard in connectivity. With a cable fixing kit at the back and cable management rings at the front, the LX5 offers seamless organization and accessibility, enhancing ease of use for technicians. This innovative panel offers two options in one compact unit: LC-SC adapter fusion splicing and MPO-MTP termination, providing unparalleled flexibility for your network infrastructure needs. Crafted from high-quality cold-roll steel and finished with electrostatic powder spraying, the LX5 ensures durability and reliability, while its space-saving design maximizes efficiency in high-density applications. Pair the LX5 with our MLX5 modules for seamless transition between MTP and standard LC connectors. Featuring a small form-factor design, the MLX5 modules house 12 low-loss LC duplex adapters on the front and 2 MTP connectors on the back, providing flexibility and convenience for diverse fiber optic installations. Key features: 1U height, suitable for cabinet rack installation in 19-inch racks. Accommodates up to 4 MLX5 cassette modules, managing up to 96 fibers. Compatible with various adapter module options, including MTP-MPO. Supports 24-fiber splice trays with durable metal construction and electrostatic powder coating for corrosion resistance. Adjustable mounting hanger and sliding rails for easy installation and operation. Features a reliable structure design for efficient optical cable management.
For more information, please visit our website at www.optronicsplus.net or call our customer support team. Thank you for watching.